In the Settings page, those with admin access to the CRM app can adjust various defaults within the app. The first box you'll see on this page includes settings for the payment grid on the sales quote screen. If you recall, the payment grid displays various payment plan options based on incremental increases in down payment and loan term. In this settings box, you can set the increments by which the down payment increases in the payment grid, as well as choose the 4 loan term options that are offered. Be sure to click the red check mark to save any changes you make here before moving on. Optionally, you can also turn off the payment grid entirely by toggling the on-off switch at the top of the screen. Below, you'll find the Products menu settings box. Here, you can adjust the product information for any products already loaded into the app, as well as add new products. You can also change the arrangement by which they appear in the Products menu screen. To add a new product, click on the red plus sign at the top right of the settings box. Open the drop-down under Product Type to select from Service Contract, Gap Waiver, or Accessory. Next, open up the Company Product Name drop-down and choose a name from the list. Add the desired description and input the product's price. Choose which packages the product will be included in by selecting one or more of the left, middle, and right columns, Platinum, Gold, and Silver respectively, and then open the drop-down under Ordering to determine the order in which the product will appear in each column. Click the Save button at the bottom to save your changes and return to the settings screen. You can go back and edit this information for each of your products at any time by clicking on the pen icon next to the product price in the Products menu settings box. Following the Products menu section, you'll see the Credit Rating settings box. This is where you can set an APR to match a credit rating for easy APR selection in the sales quote screen. You'll see 4 credit ratings here: Excellent, Good, Fair, and Poor. Click on the line under each to change the corresponding APR. When you're done, click on the red check mark at the bottom of the box to save your changes. Below the APR settings, you'll find settings for automatic lead distribution. If you choose to have this option enabled, the app will automatically distribute leads among employees between the hours specified in this box. You can change these hours by clicking on the drop-downs under Begin Time and End Time. You can also choose to have leads redistributed if no action has been taken on them after a set amount of time. Click on the corresponding line and input the amount of minutes desired, or type in 0 to deactivate this feature. Again, click on the red check mark at the bottom to save any changes you've made. Note that you can disable automatic lead distribution entirely by toggling the on-off button at the top of this box. Next, you can scroll down to view the Automatic Task Creation settings box. Selecting one or more days in this box will prompt the system to automatically create a call task for every lead on set days if no recent activity has taken place on the lead. Once you've made your selection, click on the red check mark at the bottom to save your changes. The last section you'll see in the settings page is where you can make changes to your email signature for any email sent through the app. Note that the default salesperson notation included in the signature will automatically insert the name of the employee logged into the app when sending emails. You may click anywhere within this text to make changes to the signature, and then click the check mark below to save your changes. To reset the signature to the system default, click the Generate Signature button at the bottom of the screen.